We are in a global marketplace and your customers can be anywhere. But here's the real concern. How do you ship your products globally and locally? And how is the cost calculated? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to ship your products worldwide in WordPress with FluentCart, a new era of WordPress e-commerce. I'll go through setting up shipping zones for different regions, creating flexible shipping methods, and adding custom shipping classes for items such as heavy or hybrid products. And to wrap it up, we'll test it from the customer's end to see it all in action. All right, let's do it. From the dashboard, let's navigate to the shipping configuration area within FluentCart. Here, as you can see, I already have some shipping zone created for local and global orders, but don't worry, I'll show you how to create both of them. At first, I'll start by setting up a local shipping zone. Okay, so let's add a simple zone name here like local customer so that you can recognize it later, and select the country. There's also a checkbox if you want to apply this shipping for whole world. Okay, so once you are happy with that, save the shipping zone, and as you can see, it appears in the list. And with that, shipping method appears right away. And now I'm ready to move on and add shipping methods for this zone. Now, this page is asking to fill in the necessary details. The first step, I'll enable it and give it a title for it like standard delivery. But you can go with something like express delivery depending on what fits your store best. All right, now you just need to choose what kind of shipping you want to offer. Free shipping is perfect when you want to offer delivery at no extra cost. And if you have a pickup point or store location, just go with local pickup. Okay, so I'll go with the flat rate to fix the shipping cost for all orders. Let's say $10. Okay, now it's time to set the rate, configure the rate. So this will define how shipping will be calculated for multiple item orders. Well, per item means the shipping cost will multiply based on how many items are in the cart. So I'll go with this for now. But if you'd rather apply one fixed flat rate to the whole order, just choose per order. But if you want to prefer calculating shipping as percentage, I think you should pick this option. Next up, we are going to set up class aggregation. This allows you to control how the total shipping cost is calculated when a customer has products from different shipping classes. No worry, there are multiple options here. The first one is combined cost. It basically calculates the shipping for each class separately and then adds them together. And that's the one I will pick. The highest cost option only uses the single highest shipping cost among all the classes in the cart. And I'll leave a description which may be delivered in a 3 to 5 business days, which might display in the checkout page. Anyway, everything is set, and I'm pretty sure you already understand how you can configure the shipping zone. In the same way, you can also set up shipping zones for global orders when you are ready to expand your business worldwide. FluentCart gives you the flexibility to choose exactly where you want to ship. So let's see how you can do that. I'll head back to the main page, click to add a new zone and give it a name. And select the preferred region from the multiple options. Okay, so once that's done, it's time to set up the shipping methods, which by now you already know how to do that. Okay, so I'll simply adjust the required details and target the specific provinces where the shipping rate applies. And just hit save. And just like that, a new shipping zone gets added to the list. So it's as easy as that. So far, you know how to create a shipping zone and shipping products locally and globally. But if your store has heavy items like gym equipment or hybrid items like monitor screens and glass material, then you need to adjust shipping cost for specific item types because customers might order both types of products at once, right? Okay, so to do that, I'll go over to the shipping classes section. As you can see, I'm using FluentCart for my online store. And the shipping classes are already here. However, let's see how we can create one. Just simply write a class name like I'm naming it oversized parcel. and provide the shipping cost for this class. So the cost will be applied to the fixed amount as a cost adjustment. Okay, so check this box to apply shipping per item for multiple products, or you can keep it as it is if you want. Let's save the changes, and it's time to see how it all works from the customer's side. The customer can now browse through the products, and once they spot the desired one, they will hit the Buy Now option. Now, on the FluentCart checkout page, all the information that you need is right here, and flat rate is the only shipping option available for every orders. So that we set up earlier, Here you can see the total amount is higher because this product falls under an additional shipping class that has its own separate charge. So once the order is placed, FluentCart generates a receipt right away, and you can view or download it anytime. FluentCart's powerful shipping system allows you to set up shipping based on your customer's locations. From creating shipping zones to flexible shipping methods and custom shipping classes, now with everything set up, you can ship your physical products anywhere in the world, reliably and on a schedule. So why wait? If you have been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.